Hi guys, I'm Rehane. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful Dreamcatcher. You can make it in different color or just one color. I prefer this for color for this tutorial. For this tutorial we need a ring. The size of the ring is 20 centimeter and the color of the yarn and a pair of scissors and a needle and a hook. For this Dreamcatcher I use 1.75 for the hook. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful Dreamcatcher, but before that please subscribe my channel and like my video. For the first round I'm going to make magic ring, so I put the yarn here between my finger and then here and here, so I have this shape. Then I put the hook under this yarn and above this yarn, and then yarn over, and then put the hook here under this yarn and yarn over. And now I have the magic ring. As you can see, I have this ring for the magic ring. Then I'm going to make single crochet into this magic ring, so I put the hook under this part, yarn over, and make single crochet. For this tutorial we need 16 single crochet, so this is 1, 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6 until we have 16 single crochet. Okay, now I have 16 single crochet into this magic ring, and then put the hook under the first single crochet and try to change the color of the yarn. So I put the different color of the yarn here and then put the hook into the first single crochet exactly here, and then yarn over into these 2 yarn loop. Okay, and then fix it together like this. And now I'm going to make 3 chains, and then here again make just 1 double crochet. So now I have this shape. Again into the next single crochet, put the hook here and then here, and now again make double crochet, and again in the same hole put the hook here and make another double crochet. So as you can see, in each single crochet we have 2 double crochet together. Again in the next single crochet we need 2 double crochet together. So you must continue as this until you arrive here. Okay, now I finished these 2 double crochet together, as you can see, and then again I need a different color of the yarn, and then put the hook into the 3rd chains exactly here and yarn over and make a slip stitch, and then go to the between these 2 double crochet. As you can see, we have V shape in each double crochet together. So put the hook between this V shape and make a slip stitch, and then make 3 chains, and I want to hide the extra yarn, and then again put the hook under this V shape and make 1 double crochet here. Then we need 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and then put the hook between this V shape exactly here and make 2 double crochet together like this, and again 3 chains. Again put the hook between this V shape exactly here and make another double crochet, 2 double crochet together, and again 3 chains. So you must continue as this until again you arrive here. Okay, now I finished this round, as you can see, and then I want to change the color of the yarn, and I prefer to use this color. So for the next round I put the yarn here under this part, and then put the hook under these 3 chains exactly here, and then yarn over and make a slip stitch like this. Now we need 3 chains and 2 double crochet into this big hole. This is 1 and then 2 double crochet. Then I'm going to go to this hole under these 3 chains and make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. Again go to the next hole and make 3 double crochet again. This is 2 and this is 3. So you must continue as this again until you arrive here. Okay, now I finished this round, as you can see, and then I put the hook under this chain and make a slip stitch, and again go to the next stitch and make another slip stitch, and then when I arrive here between these 3 double crochet exactly here between these 2 parts, I want to change the color of the yarn and use the white color of the yarn, and then put the hook here between these 2 parts exactly here and make 1 slip stitch and 1 single crochet like this. Now I'm going to make 5 chains. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains. Then go to the next hole exactly here between these 2 parts and make another single crochet, and again 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again here in the next hole between these 2 parts make just 1 single crochet. So keep continuous until again you arrive here. Okay, now I finish this round and I arrive here, and then I put the hook under this first single crochet and make a slip stitch, and then go to the under this part and make another slip stitch, and here we need just 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now we have this shape. So again, in the next hole, exactly here, just 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So keep continuous this shape until again you arrive here. Now I finished this round. As you can see, I make a slip stitch and then hide the extra yarn. Then again I use a different color of the yarn and put the hook in the middle of this part, exactly in 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 5 chain, exactly here, yarn over, make 1 chain, and then again put the hook here and make just 1 single crochet. Then I'm going to make 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then go to the next middle of this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, exactly here, make just 1 single crochet. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chains, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here, make just 1 single crochet. Keep continuous until again you arrive here. I finished this round and I have 7 chains here, so I put the hook in this chain in the first single crochet and make just 1 slip stitch, and then put the hook under this hole and make single crochet. Again here, single crochet, and keep continuous this single crochet until we have 9 single crochet here under these 7 chains. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is the extra yarn. I cut this, and now I have this shape. So I'm going to go to the next hole here and again make single crochet here. We need 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So as you can see, we have this shape, and we must again continue this until we arrive here. Okay, I finished this round, and then when I arrive here, I put the hook here and make just 1 slip stitch and 1 chain, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. For the next round, again I use a different color of the yarn, and then again put the hook here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 chain here. So I put the hook in the middle of this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, exactly here, and then yarn over, make 1 chain, and again here make just 1 single crochet like this, and make 9 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then again go to the middle of this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exactly here. Make just one single crochet again. Keep continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here make just one single crochet. So again keep continuous this until again you arrive here. I finished this round, and again like before I put the hook in the first of single crochet and make just one slip stitch, and then go to this hole exactly here, and here we need 11 single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So in each part we need 11 single crochet until we arrive here. Okay, now I finished this round, as you can see. Then again I put the hook in the middle of this part. We have 11 chains here, so in the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 exactly here. Then put the different color of the yarn and yarn over and make one chain and one single crochet. And now we need 11 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then again put the hook in the middle of this part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 exactly here. Make just one single crochet, and again 11 chains, and again here single crochet, and keep continuous until you arrive here. Now I finished this round, and like before I put the hook in this hole, in this big hole, and make single crochet above of these chains. And now we need 13 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So in each part, in above of these chains, we need 13 single crochet, and keep continuous until you arrive here. And now I finished this round, and I have this single crochet round of this ring. So for the end of the part, I put the hook in the first single crochet here and make slip stitch and just one chain, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. You can make it in different size and different color. You just need to increase this part and have a different color of this Dreamcatcher. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.